Good morning. I'm tired. It's early. Welcome to the garage. And I want to say thank you for watching my videos. And if you like the stuff you're going to see, hit that like button so you can see more of it. Hit that subscribe button so you catch the next videos. And as always, comment and let me know what you think. Today, though, our video is going to be a quick and simple one. I got to get rid of little projects. I got a lot of little projects going on in the garage. So when I got the Suburban, it never had a cigarette lighter. So instead of putting a cigarette lighter back in there, because I don't smoke, I don't use it, or and then having to plug in another adapter into the cigarette lighter just to charge a phone, I'm just gonna wire this guy in there. So let's get in there and see what that's gonna take. Now, first of all, this diameter is way too big to fit in that hole down there. See? Wah, wah, wah. And then, so what we're gonna have to do is carve that out. And then mine looks like this, so I'm gonna have to cut these wires off and put a tester to them and find out which is gonna be power and which is gonna be ground. You'd think black is ground, but we're gonna double check. So since the black wire is going to the outside, like a light bulb, that's your ground, and then this wire going to the center is going to be your power. We drew a little line. It's not going to be much more than the thickness of the pen. It's kind of hard to see because this is all I could find at the moment. But
it looks like it's showing up.
We can see it, so we're going to slowly just kind of carve away. I don't have a step bit. That would be ideal. A large step bit would make it real easy. But I don't have one. So we're going to have to do it the hard way and try to carve it out nicely. Oh, I'm stuck. AJ carved it out. Oh, it looks good too. There's room there, and it just barely squeezes in and out. So now we can get the wiring part of this thing set up. I got the basic tools here, a couple butt connectors. We are going to test that still. I'll throw this back on here. So that'll be pretty looking. Oh, bottom, top or bottom? Towards the bottom. And then, yeah. So let's get started. Alright, if you notice there, I'm rounding this thing out on a screw down here. So that center one is the power. And that's the ground over there, the power ground. LEDs laying around.
Cool. Guard.
Alright, so the thing with LEDs, or at least Sylvania's brand, is that they're directional. So AJ, hit the lights. Yep. Yep. Headlights on. Keys on. Okay, see, I got lucky the first time. If I put it any other way, I believe, yeah, they won't work. So LEDs are directional.
That's a bright light.
We're gonna see if that guy. Now we'll fit in this guy. It does. Look at that. We got LED lightage. So we can slide this guy back through the cover here. Too. I can find the part, put it in the description below. You guys can go pick it up from your local store. Let me just try to get this guy started. Going on. It is. Am I getting that lucky? And do this one hand out of sight. My goodness.
Oh. Still got a bit of a wiggle.
Oh, I got a ways to go.
Well.
God, that looks so clean. Yeah. Look how good that looks!
Looks like it was meant to be there.
My goodness! Oh, I gotta get screws in the bottom. Yeah, there weren't any screws in the bottom of this thing, so we'll have to put some in.
You've got some lying around.
There's no screws in the bottom of that one either. This truck needs a lot of love. Now let's see if it'll charge the phone. It is still on. Yeah, keys been on.
Okay.
Error.
That in there. That's played
out. Charging?
We are not.
No?
It's not working.
Okay. Well, hold this for a second. Let's check that fuse. Okay. Oh!
A bad fuse.
Oh, we still got power going to the wire, so we're good.
Yeah.
And just realized the car doesn't even have to be on, so that's cool too. So it's just that fuse. We gotta find somewhere to replace that guy.
Annoyance.
Alright, I got the fuse in, and it was the problem because look at that. It's gonna read all the time, which I didn't realize. I didn't realize this wasn't switched, so that's gonna have power constantly. But hey, that's pretty cool. It's on. And now I'm curious. Let me tuck that back away, actually. Put in the ashtray. Okay, 12.7, 12.6. Let's see. It means there should be an indication too. Now, I could only find a 5 amp fuse. This is the first place I stopped at Ace Hardware. It's a 5 amp GDC. The one that came out of it, I think, said 10 amp. But we'll see how long it lasts. Let's get you focused on that. I'm going to start up the car and we'll see what the voltage says. Oh, voltage draining fast. Okay, it's starting to stabilize. Dang, that's cool.
It went up, it went 14.
Yeah, that's what an alternator is supposed to do. It's supposed to charge at over 14.5. That's perfect. 14.5 is perfect.
So now you can charge your phone?
So yeah, I can't really prove to you guys that the charger's working because I'm using my phone to do it. But let's see. I'll plug it in. Oh yeah, it's charging.
39%.
Yeah, my phone's at 39%. So, that's a win, guys. That's a big win. That's gonna do it for this video, though. I appreciate you guys hanging in there this long, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.